Welcome back to my channel. Getting ready to build camper number 10. Big Maui hadn't left the garage yet. I just don't want to sell it yet. I really want to take it camping. So I'm laying out this trailer here. Going to do it all in time lapse. And then I want to show you some of the things like, okay, so this is a peg that holds the fender on from one of the ones I did 4 years ago. And this is a peg that now holds the new fenders on. They're shorter, and you can see they're much thinner. Just wow. Okay, and the fenders used to be this thick. Now you can see the difference there. Of course, as long as I can stand on it, I'm okay with the thinner fenders. I'm good with that. With the Northern Tool trailer, usually the fenders, the paint on the fenders are jacked up. You can see where my dust cap was dented, and then my big sack of nuts and bolts are sitting here on the tailgate. One thing they did do is they upgraded their tail lights to LED. You can see all the little light emitting diodes in there. All the wiring, they give you plenty of length of wiring for it. Then instructions for people who can't do it, build without instructions, which is not hard to do. License plate frame, at least that's metal instead of plastic. One of them, one trailer I got, it was plastic. I thought that's never going to last. So can't believe we got thinner. We got to put all this together. And for you that love building campers or just teardrop enthusiasts, this might be one for you to watch. If it's, since I'm going to do it in a time lapse, if there's something you want to look at, just stop it, go back, or play forward. If you've already seen how that works. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the next video, and thanks for watching.